In this video, we present a use case for our Internet of Things platform called Promulgate.JS. Lars is a new employee in a company that has a Promulgate-enabled coffee machine. He decides to subscribe to the machine by placing his phone on the NFC tag. The phone then calls the company routing server with the subscription message. This message is then routed down to the machine where it is stored in the subscription database. Now Thomas, another employee at the office, decides to make a cup of coffee, so he presses the Make Coffee button. The machine then sends a broadcast message to the routing server. This broadcast message is pushed to all the phones that are subscribed to the machine. Lars can now decide whether he wants a cup of coffee or not. The coffee machine accumulates all the responses and shows a customized instruction to Thomas. Thomas follows the instructions and starts the machine. The machine is connected to a water level sensor that will notify the machine when the water level is low. The machine will then send out a ready message to all the people who said yes to a cup of coffee. All notifications have a location tied to them, and through the app Lars can now see where he can get his cup of coffee. On the phone, the user can also see a list of subscribed machines where they can mute certain machines or unsubscribe from them. On the settings page, the user can decide to only receive messages from machines within a certain range and set the interval for the GPS to save energy or increase the accuracy.